Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. When we learn a new language, it's not just about mastering grammar and vocabulary. It's also about embracing the culture. Sports play a significant role in any culture, and understanding sports related terms can open doors to conversations, events, and even friendships. So, join me as we dive into Korean sports vocabulary and explore the exciting world where language meets sportsmanship. Okay, so here is the part 1 of our video series. Let's see the first word. The Korean word for sports, and that is sports. Sports. Now let's see the Korean word for Taekwondo, and that is Taekwondo. Taekwondo. The national sport of South Korea is Taekwondo. It holds a significant cultural and historical importance in South Korea. So you can notice that this is a Korean word. Taekwondo is a Korean word, and in English they have translated it as Taekwondo. Okay? Next comes the Korean word for soccer or football, and that is 축구. 축구. Now let's see how to say baseball in Korean language, and that is 야구. 야구. Next comes the Korean word for cricket, and that is cricket. Cricket. Now let's see how to say basketball in Korean language, and that is 농구. 농구. Next comes the Korean word for golf, and that is 골프. 골프. Next comes the Korean word for table tennis, and that is 탁구. 탁구. Now let's see how to say badminton in Korean language, and that is 배드민턴. 배드민턴. Next comes the Korean word for archery, and that is 양궁. 양궁. Okay, so today we learned 10 sports related words in Korean language. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.